How to enable auto translation on TikTok. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable auto translation on TikTok. To enable auto translation on TikTok, first of all, open your TikTok application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this page. Now here you will need to tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to your profile page. Here at the top right corner of your screen, you will be able to see 3 horizontal lines. Simply tap on it and a menu will appear at the bottom. Here select Settings and Privacy option. Once you select it, now you will be taken to the Settings and Privacy page. Here now you will need to scroll a bit down under this Content and Display section, and under it, find the Language option. Once you locate the Language option, simply tap on it, and once you reach to this page, here you will need to look for the option Always Translate Post or similar. You'll also see the toggle button at the right side of it. Now you will need to tap on the toggle button to enable auto translation for captions, comments and text stickers in videos. You will also have the option to select a preferred translation language. At the bottom of it, you will be able to see Translate into option, and at the right side you will be able to see the selected language. If you'd like to change this language, then you can simply tap on the option, and here in this page you'll be able to see the list of available languages. From here, scroll to find the one and simply tap on it, and then tap on the Done option at the top right. By doing so, you'll be able to choose your preferred language. Once you have enabled auto translation, now you can go back and start watching the videos. The app will automatically translate the contents based on your settings. So by following these steps, you can easily enable auto translation on TikTok. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.